Hi Foodie Fam, today we're making Jamaican round buns. Soft, spiced, and yeast risen. Packed with all the rich flavor of Easter bun, without the raisins. No kneading requires. Let's make it. Start by adding sugar and yeast to lukewarm water. Mix and set aside for 5 to 10 minutes until frothy. In a saucepan, add a bottle of dragon stout or malta, sugar, browning, molasses, butter, and shortening. Place over low heat and stir until sugar dissolve and butter and shortening melted. You want this mixture to be warm, not hot, do not boil. Then set aside. Next, prepare the dry ingredients by combining your flour, baking powder, ground ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, mixed spice, and salt. Mix well, making sure all that spices is properly distributed. Now pour in your activated yeast mixture and gradually add in the warm mixture along with vanilla extract. Mix until everything is well combined and form a sticky dough. I will list all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box. I was gradually adding this mixture because I didn't want to add more than needed, but it was the perfect amount. I started using my hand to mix, just to ensure all the flour is mixed in properly. I know this is sticky and you might tempted to add more flour, but please do not. The softer the dough, the fluffier your buns. Once you are done mixing, scrape down the sides of the bowl. Grease the dough with some olive oil to prevent sticking. Cover and let rise until doubled in size. This may take some time to rise because the dough is heavily spiced. Maybe 1.5 to 2 hours. Mine took 2 hours. Deflate the dough and turn it out onto a greased work surface. Shape into a ball and cut into 8 equal portions. These were one of my favorite childhood treats. I remember, bun and cheese was one of the go-to lunch for children back then. What was your favorite childhood treat? Comment below. I would love to know. I want to thank I Am Shalene for requesting this video. Roll each piece into a ball. Make sure to seal the bottom properly so it doesn't open during baking. Place onto parchment paper-lined baking sheet. Continue the process until you are done. Cover and let rise a second time for 40 minutes until nice and puffy. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes or until cooked through. As soon as it comes out of the oven, brush it with a warm honey glaze for that beautiful shine. And there you have it, Jamaican spiced round buns. Let it cool completely before cutting open. These turns out beautifully. Look at that crumb structure, soft and fluffy. My favorite way to eat these is with some tasty cheese. This is exactly how I remember them to be. Soft, slightly chewy, and delicious. You have to give these a try, Foodie Fam. I promise you will never buy another round bun at the store. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the notification bell so you never miss any new uploads. Also, let me know what you want to see me make next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.